Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. This is one of a series of videos where I demonstrate my essential gardening tools, and this is a large hoe and it's brilliant for breaking up and through the earth. And of course the hope here is that you might see fit to go into my Amazon storefront and buying one of these tools or any of my gardening tools. And I will get a small commission and everything gets reinvested back into my YouTube channel, which makes it more sustainable. So thank you very much for your support. And of course, once you click through one of my links, you don't have to buy this tool or even a garden related tool. Anything you purchase in that shopping session will result in me receiving a commission, but will not cost you any less. So again, I really do appreciate your support. So this is under hose, and it's a large hoe, and there is also a small grubbing hoe which I will demonstrate in another video. I'll see you soon for some more gardening tool adventures. Bye for now.